Hey guys, it's Angel and there's Kendra. So today we are busy packing the goodie bags that you are going to pick up when you come to the registration booth with your tickets. You got tickets, right? Because you got to register. We'll take you at the door if you don't, but it'd really help us if you did. So we have these amazing high gloss magazines about Chattanooga that were brought to us from the Convention and Visitors Bureau. There's this really amazing coupons, and it's got a map of Chattanooga in there. We've got some information from one of our speakers, some information on growing fig trees. We're doing some info from the Our Figs group. And of course, here is your fig program booklet. You're going to need that because it's got a whole lot of information on everything that is going on today. So you're going to need that. And we've got some goodies. This is moon pies because Chattanooga is the home of the moon pie, and they were donated just for this event. And finally, a fun little thing is we have a free, nice, big sample of Biotone Starter. Thank you, Espoma Organics, for donating that. So come by and see us. Pick up your goodie bag when you check in at the Fig Frolic registration booth with your tickets. If you haven't registered yet, look for the link that will be with this video and go ahead and register. Bye-bye.